This video is going to show you how to get feedback masters from Articulate 360. So if you're using Storyline 3, Storyline 2, Storyline 1, you can skip this video. So if you're in Feedback Masters, you can go ahead and exit out of there, just close the master view, and go into Slides, and then click on Content Library, or click Control M. I'm going to go to the Content Library. Now you can go through here, and you could just pick one for quizzing. So you would actually have to spend a bit of time coming in here and to actually take some of these, which means that you would have to come in, and if I wanted to try this one, I would go ahead and say, let's insert this multiple choice quiz question. It's going to take a moment to be brought in here. There we go. So now I have this has been imported here. You'll see that we have form view and slide view. In slide view, I'm going to get to see what this quiz layer looks like. So this one was built on the idea of a computer screen that was in there, so they very wisely have put the different things in here. You may be wondering, hey Carl, why does it look a little bit off center here? The reason for that is that I have a different screen size. So when I come in from the Articulate Story, from the 360 site, it's going to bring in, so you would actually, this would be a perfect opportunity for you to go to View and Feedback Master, and you can go in and you can actually just tweak these a little bit so that you'd have to play around with them a little bit. But now you'll see that we have the same layout is going to work for all of these, and when I close it, I can come back in here. If you've ever changed your slide layout, it works the same way. So here we'll say, okay, incorrect layer. So since I've already gone through and I've already created all this slide, then sometimes if you make changes to the master, by default, it's not going to change your existing slide. So you have to go in and reselect it like you just saw me do there. Okay, so there is some sort of trial and error with going through and seeing. You need to go through and pull them out. Another thing that's helpful to know is that you can go through and you can customize your colors. I have a whole video on that, but if you're saying, hey, you know what, I want this to be with my color palette, or similarly, my fonts, I didn't like that one, I had a specific font that I wanted to use. You can go through and, again, control all those here under your Feedback Master.